Welcome to the hidden world of Oregon's Blue Mountains. Nestled deep within its forest lies Armillaria ostoyae, the world's largest living organism. Spanning over 2,385 acres, this colossal fungus, also known as the humongous fungus, stretches farther than the eye can see. Its underground network of mycelium connects trees over an incredible area, creating a hidden web of life. Estimated to be thousands of years old, this ancient organism has withstood the test of time in the elements. Armillaria ostoyae's unique growth patterns allow it to thrive in the forest, taking nutrients from the surrounding trees. Despite its slow growth, it plays a significant role in its ecosystem, both as a decomposer and a tree pathogen. Yet, its massive scale and longevity continue to intrigue scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Armillaria ostoyae stands as one of nature's most awe-inspiring mysteries, a testament to the hidden wonders beneath our feet.